Cambodia and
This is not a test. The following message is issued by the United Coalition Forces in response to ongoing conflict. Citizens are advised to take immediate precautions. In a devastating turn of events, the socialist aligned nation of Peru has launched a sudden and unprovoked attack along the west coast of Labanaka, Magnapura, Silate, Locanajori Cameron, and Annapura. This surprise offensive aims to establish control over these territories, forcing neighboring alliances and allies into action. This is not a test. The following message is issued by the United Coalition Forces in response to ongoing conflicts. Citizens are advised to take immediate precautions. It has been issued reports indicate that Putin is allied with the Kildodian Federation, Emidea, HGDV, Zekara, Mesrika, Sakharov, and Kirov to form a unified front under socialist banners. These forces have mobilized aggressively, seizing over 75% of the Antar-Vidura territories. Warning. The Antar-Vidura government has been issued. All citizens are advised to seek shelter immediately. This is a critical alert. Please remain indoors and monitor emergency channels for updates. Zekara has launched 2 nuclear missiles toward our capital, Vandrialik. This strike has resulted in catastrophic damage. The loss of Vandrialik and surrounding regions has resulted in an unprecedented 92.8% loss of Antar-Vidura land. Our resistance forces are unable to continue, and survival is the priority. Our final message to the people. This is a moment of unspeakable sorrow. In the name of our fallen, we say, may Allah, Buddha, and Jesus bless you all. Antar-Vidura will surrender to spare further loss of life. This is the final broadcast from our government. May history remember our resilience and unity.